Godzilla. Look at that one, it's coming right at us. Ah, it's a monster. Oh, here comes the goo. It's pink goo.
That looks like red and pink.
Yeah. Oh, it's like big bird poo. Now we can't see anything. Where'd it go?
When I first see this big thing, I feel like it's not gonna move. It's gonna go right up really hard.
Yeah. Blues and purples and all the fancy colors.